earlier depictions showed them dragging tails and acting like...
The fact of the matter is that the Wigan Casino has been in existence for 10 years.
The students here prepare for the biggest tournament.
Your child's first steps, graduation, even a family road trip. Till now, these core memories have been tedious to capture on film. That's why our team at Optodine Technologies have created the first device to combine a video camera with a VHS tape recorder. This revolutionary technology has a compact, lightweight design and is perfect for everyday use. The Optodine Porticoder uses advanced new technology, such as the TIC chip, which helps to improve audio and video resolution, keeping us above our competition. Buy your Porticoder today at any major retailer and add another member to your Optodine home technology family.